Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'll show you how to remove email address from Facebook page. So let's get started. First, open Facebook app and log in with your Facebook page. Then click on settings option. Click on settings and privacy. Click on settings. Scroll down. Click on page details. Now under contact info you will see my email address. Click on the three dot icon of the right side of the email, then click on edit email. Now from here you can change your email address or you can remove your email address. Click on remove. Now here you can see I have successfully removed my email address from my Facebook page. So guys, if you think this video was helpful, please make sure you subscribe to my channel.